Hello everyone. Today we will see solution of triangle. For that we should know what is polar coordinate. We know x and y, the coordinates of any point in a coordinate system. We call it as Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so what is polar coordinate? Let us see. For that we will take a fixed point. We will call this point O as pole. Okay, and then draw a fixed ray OX. We will call this as polar axis. Okay, then draw a perpendicular here. We will consider this OX as our x-axis and this as y-axis. Let us consider a point P on this plane other than O. Okay? And if we draw this or join these 2 points, then we will get OP. Let the length OP is R. And this angle XOP is theta. Okay. Now for any point, if we know R and theta, then we can easily trace the point. We can determine the point. So these R and theta are also coordinates of this P. R and theta are the polar coordinates. Okay. We know XY are Cartesian coordinates. Okay, understood then? What is polar coordinate? We can write like this also. Okay, now we will see the relation between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Okay? Now, if in this figure only we draw a perpendicular PM on x-axis, then this distance, we know the distance is y, because Cartesian coordinates of this point P is xy if we consider. Okay, we will consider xy as the Cartesian coordinates of this point, and just we have seen that r and theta are the polar coordinates of same point. Okay, so if x and y, then this distance is y and this distance is x. And we have said already that this is a perpendicular. It means this is 90 degree. Okay. Now, in this triangle POM, this is theta. Okay. Then by trigonometric functions, we can say sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Here opposite is y. Upon hypotenuse is r. Therefore, we can say y equals to r sine theta. Okay. Similarly, in this triangle, if we find the trigonometric function cos theta, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is x upon r. So x is r cos theta. Okay. It means y r sin theta, x r cos theta. These are the relations between polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Okay. If we square and add these two, then what will happen? X square plus y square equals to r square in bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. It means r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. First fundamental identity. Thus, x square plus y square is r square. Okay? Understood? Now, if we divide this y by x, then what happens? Y by x equals to, means this relation upon this relation. What happens? R sin theta upon r cos theta. R gets cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta. Therefore, theta equals to tan inverse of y by x. Okay? Understood then? All these relations? Now we will see the examples. If you are given polar coordinates, then you can find easily Cartesian coordinates. If you have given Cartesian coordinates, then you can easily find polar coordinates. Okay?